Have you ever seen a 900 farmhouse with the home automation of a Manhattan penthouse? We are in San Venanzo, in the wild heart of Umbria. A UNESCO World Biosphere Reserve, an ancestral place where nature commands everything, except in here. My name is Nicolò, and this is the right place to choose. Here, pristine nature and cutting-edge design collaborate to create an unprecedented experience. Welcome to Villa Armonia, the future at the service of your silence and fun. Forget the classic concept of a rustic cottage. This 900 structure, reborn in 2019, hides a digital her across 3 southeastern floors, 345 square meters of pure light and smart technology. The living space is the nerve center, 2 spectacular lounge, a designer kitchen that open on a porch for your alfresco dinner. But the real masterpiece is the fixed crystal wall, a total transparency that merges the warmth of the saloon with the reflection of the indoor pool and sauna accessible directly from the living space. For your winter days, there is a beautiful spa and an internal swimming pool. The home automation of this property works with a smartphone and through a control panel, allowing you to adjust energy and climate settings. 2 bedrooms are located on the ground floor. A set of designer stairs leads to the upper level, where 2 additional bedrooms are situated, each featuring high-end bathrooms. This is the 5th bedroom located in the tower of this castle, where you can feel like a king. Outside, the 3,000 square meter of parkland and orchard embrace the property. Between the outdoor pool and the panoramic jacuzzi, your relaxation has no witness. This is not a house for those seeking compromises. It's for those who want the impossible, the primordial breath of UNESCO and the perfection of an interconnected future. Welcome to the future of tradition. My name is Nicolò. Please contact us for a private tour of this beautiful property.